Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver
Fanatic.
Okay guys,
We're talking mega.
Let's talk about the mega crash guys. That is upon us.
Yes,
but one first thing, if you don't hold it,
you don't own it.
You really don't own it. That is the slogan when you're a stacker.
Yeah.
If you don't hold it, you don't own it. So you need to hold it.
Yeah.
Like I am holding it right now.
That's true.
This greyhound. Okay, guys, this mega crash, guys, that is upon us. Whether we like it or not,
we know.
it is. It is on our doorsteps.
Yeah.
I think it wants to come in. It's not even knocking anymore. Yeah.
It's inside the house now.
Yeah, it's inside.
Yeah.
So
it have its disadvantage and advantages.
Yeah, guys, the crash.
So
it has its disadvantage and advantages, guys. The rich really like the crashes.
Why?
Why they like the crashes, guys? If you know, comment below.
Yeah.
Why they like the crashes.
Yeah.
But let's just tell you our own version why they like the crashes, guys.
Yeah.
A crash is a very perfect time to accumulate more and more of what you believe in.
Assets that can make you much more richer or much profit.
Exactly. Because the advantages of the crash, guys, is that you get to buy more of this. I'll refer to the silver because I'm holding the silver, guys. I'll refer to it. You get to buy more of the silver and do a dollar cost average as well. The disadvantage is that it's just that you get to lose. Yeah, but it's not gonna be like a long-term loss. Yeah, because you'll be just doing a dollar cost average during the crash, the mega crash that is upon us because of the manipulation, as we all know. Yeah, but
and I think the rich, the reason why they love crashes is because they prepare themselves for crashes. They like put money in stock or whatever, and then they get profit, and then they will know if there's crash, they'll buy more and then become more rich.
Exactly. Like I just said, dollar cost, guys. That's the only way. I think we also love the crashes as well.
Yeah.
Ever since we started stacking, I think crashes we've just because we've just noticed because we recently started the stacking journey. I think about 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years back.
So we recently started. So I think we still consider ourselves like that, a new staker. So with that, I think we also love the crashes.
We feel like that we haven't accumulated enough.
Yes.
We like to take advantage of those crashes to accumulate more.
More, guys. Yeah. The market, guys, it's really shaping out. It is really surfing. The market is surfing like a sea, guys. The ocean. You know the ocean, whatever it doesn't like, it kicks it out. You'll find it outside, guys. That's what the market is doing right now. With the mega crash that is happening, guys. Yeah.
We're like bears with horns.
Yeah. At this point, we are bears with our horns, guys. We are like just
in the middle
in this bearish situation scenario that we are in. We are faced with. We are bears with horns, guys. So we on all sides. Can't help it just to be a bear with our horns, guys. And another thing, in order for you to make money, you have to lose. This is my favorite coin, revealing as well. But the 2 ounce Kruger Rand.
Oh, my one.
Yours?
It's my one.
I think we need to buy another one because we're fighting over this one. I think we need a 2022. Yeah, guys, in order for you to make money, you will have to lose money, guys.
Yeah, of course.
If you're not willing to lose money, you just stay in one position and not take risks. A person that takes risks, guys, gets to move on in life and move forward. Yeah, you need to be patient because there's nothing as a get rich quick scheme. There's nothing like that, especially when you are here in the precious metals, guys. Yeah, guys.
Patience
is important.
I know sometimes it's getting running dry out, and then we're like, are we doing the right thing? But patient.
Just be patient. Just keep stacking, buying precious metals. By us saying that we are not financial advice, guys, we're just having a talk. And what I'm about to say now, that you need to lock all your savings into precious metals. And by me saying that as well, that you need to lock all your precious metals into your savings into precious metals. We are not financial advice, guys. Do your own research and due diligence, guys, before taking any actions.
Yes.
So by saying that, we really mean it. That you lock your cash into precious metals, guys.
Imagine what happened to Zimbabwe.
And
you were the person who are living in Zimbabwe, and you lock your precious metals into
your savings
into precious metals.
Imagine if you are that person in Zimbabwe during that time, before their dollar went into zero. Imagine if you are storing your savings into precious metals, e.g. like silver. If all your wealth were in silver,
not in dollar.
Imagine it was not in Zim dollar. Would you have gone broke?
No,
I don't think so.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so, because you would have stored your value, because precious metals are a store of value. They never lose value, guys. Like fiat loses value, guys. This doesn't lose value. You can store all your wealth. Like a person from Zimbabwe, as you mentioned, if all his wealth was in precious metals, he wouldn't have lost anything.
Crypto can go down to zero. Anything can go down.
Like that Luna. Luna disappointed so many people. Luna went straight to zero, from the top to zero. Guys.
So I think everything that is happening, it like sort of a bit of clues that we need to gather around and share with each other. So
information.
Because what happened to Luna, it can happen to our dollar, rand, whatever.
It can happen to our currency.
Slip, and then the next morning it's on zero. It doesn't.
But if you have all your savings locked here, that will not happen.
No,
that will not happen, because that's a store of value. Silver is a store of value, guys.
That's true.
Yes, guys. If you take a look what's happening around the world, it's possible that currencies can just overnight be like Zimbabwean dollar.
Yes.
Just overnight. But if you buy precious metals and lock your value, you lock your savings in precious metals, you will not go wrong.
That's why we create these videos, to share these bits of clues. You can also share yours one in the comment, and we love your comment, the way you
to interact, guys.
We're learning them.
Yes, we really learn from the comments, guys. We take a lot from the comments, guys. Just feel free, just put your comments, write your comments, feel free.
Yes.
We really learn from the comments, guys, because now it's a perfect time to accumulate.
Yes,
more. To accumulate more.
Whatever it's profitable to you.
Yes, during this time, the manipulation. It's time.
And we did say in I think into our long videos, that there is some movies that are predicting the future that you need to watch out, so that you can prepare yourself. Especially
when it comes to technology, guys. Especially they give you a glimpse of what's about to happen. For example, the iRobot, the Galaxy, which one? The Guardians of the Galaxy. Those movies, they give you a glimpse of what's really going to happen in the future, guys. Because when you watch them, they just say maybe 2080 or 2030.
Divergence.
The Divergence as well, guys. Divergence as well. So those movies, guys, they can open your mind. Yes.
And to see things differently. What is about to happen around the world.
And if you need to know what is our future technology, they will also give you a glimpse of what to expect.
Yes.
because there was a fascinating thing on the iRobot where Will Smith paid with I think it was a card. At the bar, paying for the beers.
Yes.
He paid with the card, not with fiat, guys.
Yes.
So it just open up your mind and just gives you an idea what to expect.
Yeah, there's a lot coming.
There is a lot that's coming, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, I think today's video was just about that.
Mega crash is on your way
upon us, like it or not, but it's time to accumulate during this manipulation. Let's accumulate more, because they will not manipulate forever. Everything comes to an end.
Just
and by that time,
buy whatever you can, copper, whatever it's available or you can afford, just buy.
And by that time, when the manipulation is over, we'll be just relaxed by the beach, sipping those drinks with those small umbrellas.
Yeah, maybe we'll
be drinking those ones.
Canada or Australia.
I don't know. Somewhere. There is a
koala. Maybe
koala is, I don't know, predicting something. I'm not too sure. We'll be just sipping those drinks with those, those drinks with those small umbrellas by the beach. By the time when people are rushing for stuff, we've been prepared long ago by this time. And
by that time, the market will just go by itself, no manipulation, nothing.
Yeah, the market will be dictating itself during that time. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think today's video was just about that. Just an awareness. Empowering one another, guys. Thank you for all the subscribe and new subscribers, guys, new viewers, guys. We really appreciate. Thank you so much, guys. Keep watching and
drop the comment. What do you think about this?
What do you think about this mega crash? Is it here to save, or I don't know, we don't know. Just let us know what you think about it on your comment below. Okay.
All right. Thanks. Bye.